there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you how to create the herringbone stitch. So for this stitch, it works best if you have two lines or a gridded fabric. So to start this stitch, we are going to bring our needle up on one side of our parallel lines here, and then we go across to the other line, making a diagonal stitch. Like so. Now we're going to go back about 1/4 of an inch along that parallel line here that we just went diagonally across to, and then we go diagonally across to the parallel line we started on, like so. So we've made a little X, and then we repeat. So we go about 1/4 of an inch back on that parallel line we just went down on. And then again, we go across to the other side. And then again, back about 1/4 of an inch. And we'd go across. Now you can also work the stitch by popping your needle down and gently popping it up a little bit like that too, so you don't have to go in and out, just as personal preference on how you like to work it. But then again, going across, popping your needle in and out, there we go, and all the way across again, like so. Oops. Make sure your thread isn't coming apart. There we go, and that is our single herringbone stitch. I hope you have fun giving this one a try.